You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from William Shakespeare's Othello, the play. For more names from Shakespeare that can be a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Roderigo, Roderigo. So sometimes the "the" syllable is almost skipped and said as Rodrigo, which is more like the Spanish version of the name. So either Roderigo, or Rodrigo. Both pronunciations are used and correct. Roderigo. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.